Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important theory question from Module 5. So our question is, explain the processing and control capabilities of microwave, oven and digital camera. So one by one, we will understand each. So processing and control capabilities of a microwave oven is, we can say that a microwave oven is an embedded system designed to heat or cook food by precisely controlling time, power, and temperature using a microcontroller. So, this is the processing and control capabilities of a microwave oven in short. Then we will write in depth because it may ask for 10 marks. So, you have to write briefly. So, processing capabilities we will discuss first. So, the microwave oven uses a microcontroller to process user inputs such as cooking time, power level, and cooking mode. The controller executes stored programs to determine how long the magnetron should operate and at what power level. It also processes inputs from sensors such as door sensors and temperature sensors to ensure safe operations. So these are the processing capabilities of a microwave oven. Now we will see the control capabilities. So the control unit controls various components of the microwave oven. It switches the magnetron on and off to generate microwave energy, controls the turntable motor to rotate food evenly, operates the cooling fan, and manages the display panel and keypad. The controller also ensures safety by stopping operations if the door is opened during cooking. So now we will see the key functions. So the control of a cooking time and power level, monitoring door status and safety conditions, controlling motors, display and alarm signals. Thus, the microwave oven demonstrates real-time processing and control of multiple hardware components. Now we will see the processing and control capabilities of a digital camera. So a digital camera is an embedded system that captures images, processes them digitally, and stores or displays the output. Now we will see processing capabilities of a digital camera. So the digital camera uses a powerful processor or digital signal processor DSP to process image data. The processor converts analog signals from the image sensor into digital form. It performs image processing tasks such as noise reduction, color correction, compression and formatting and preparing the image for storage or display. You can write these points by your own. It is very simple and real life examples, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, like this, you can make the heading control capabilities, processing capabilities, then you can write easily. So in control capabilities, the control unit manages camera operations such as lens movement, autofocus, zoom control, shutter control, and flash operation. It also controls the image sensor timing, memory storage, display screen, and user interface buttons. So the processor coordinates all these operations to capture images accurately and efficiently. Now we will discuss the key functions of digital camera. So first function is image acquisition and digital processing. It controls of lens, shutter and flash, managing storage and display. Thus, a digital camera performs complex data processing along with precise control of mechanical and electronic components. So at last you can write the conclusion for both, in which both microwave ovens and digital cameras are example of embedded system that combines processing and control capabilities. The microwave oven focuses on real-time control and safety, while the digital camera emphasizes high-speed data processing and precise device control. So like this, they can ask question in the VT examination, so you have to prepare it well. I already uploaded these notes at my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.